Looking for a reliable way to keep your tires inflated on the go? The best slime tire inflators provide quick, easy, and dependable inflation anytime you need it. Compact, portable, and powerful, these tools ensure safe travels with minimal effort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. DENVIX Slime Tire Inflators. The DENVIX Slime Tire Inflator is one of the most innovative and versatile portable inflators available, designed to meet the needs of modern drivers who value both speed and convenience. With a powerful motor, this compact device can inflate a standard car tire from 0 psi to 36 psi in just 6 minutes, making it one of the fastest in its class. Tesla owners will especially appreciate its efficiency, as it can top off a 255/40/R20 tire from 29 psi to 41 psi in only 1 minute and fully inflate it in about 10 minutes. This performance means fewer delays on the road and less reliance on roadside assistance. The built-in 15,000 mAh power bank is another standout feature, allowing users to inflate up to 7 vehicle tires, 22 motorcycle tires, 31 bicycle tires, or over 150 balls on a single charge. It also doubles as a portable charger for smartphones, tablets, and laptops, making it an essential tool for travel. Fast charging capability is another advantage. With its 45 WPD and QC 3.0 output, it charges 3 times faster than typical inflators. Fully recharging the inflator takes only 1 hour with a 45W charger, ensuring it's always ready to go. The built-in ultra-bright LED light offers 4 modes: 2 white lights for general use, a yellow light for camping, and a red emergency signal. Finally, its sleek touchscreen panel adds a modern touch and makes operation simple even at night. Number 2. Slime Cordless Pro Power Tire Inflator. The Slime Cordless Pro Power Tire Inflator is built for drivers who need a reliable, heavy-duty inflator without being tethered to a power outlet. Unlike traditional models, this unit offers full portability with a built-in lithium-ion battery that holds a charge for up to 4 months, making it ready whenever you need it. The inflator is particularly impressive in its speed and power, capable of inflating a standard car tire from flat to full in just 3 minutes. Its design emphasizes practicality and performance, engineered specifically to handle the larger tires found on trucks, SUVs, and vans. For users who worry about running out of battery on the road, the Slime Cordless Pro comes with a detachable 12V power cable nearly 10 feet long, providing a backup power option through the vehicle's accessory outlet. Its Inflate-Right technology ensures accuracy and peace of mind, automatically shutting off once the desired pressure is reached. The inflator also includes a Clearview LED digital display that measures up to 99 psi, making it easy to monitor and adjust settings even in low light. With enough power to fill 3 tires from flat to full on a single charge, this inflator balances performance with portability. Unlike smaller, weaker cordless inflators, the Slime Pro Power is purpose-built for heavy-duty use and will not struggle under the demands of larger vehicles. Its compact yet rugged build makes an excellent addition to any trunk, especially for long trips or off-road adventures where reliability is essential. Number 3. Slime 40063 Elite Heavy-Duty Tire Inflator. The Slime 40063 Elite Heavy-Duty Tire Inflator is designed for drivers who regularly deal with larger vehicles like SUVs, 4X4S, and trucks. Its rugged build and shock-resistant housing make it a dependable companion for roadside emergencies or off-road situations. What sets this model apart is its Inflate-Right technology, which simplifies the entire process of inflating tires. Instead of guessing or constantly monitoring pressure levels, users can simply set the desired psi on the digital display, turn the inflator on, and let it do the work. Once the target pressure is reached, the unit automatically shuts off, eliminating overinflation risks. This inflator works through the vehicle's 12V accessory outlet, ensuring easy use without complicated setups. The backlit digital gauge offers readings up to 99 psi, and an integrated bright LED light provides illumination for nighttime operation. An extended air hose allows flexibility and makes it easier to reach all 4 tires, even on larger vehicles. Safety is a clear focus, as the unit is tire sensor safe and comes with multi-purpose adapters for inflating sports balls, rafts, or other inflatables. Thanks to its direct drive motor and thermal brake protection, the inflator is both powerful and durable, capable of inflating a standard car tire in just 3 minutes. This combination of speed, convenience, and ruggedness makes it a solid choice for drivers who need a heavy-duty inflator that doesn't compromise on ease of use. Number 4. Slime 40031 Pro Power Tire Inflator. The Slime 40031 Pro Power Tire Inflator is a powerful and reliable heavy-duty option tailored for large vehicles such as trucks, SUVs, and 4x4s. Designed with convenience in mind, it inflates a standard tire in approximately 3 minutes, which is impressive for its size and class. With a total reach of 26 feet, the inflator provides ample length to comfortably access all 4 tires without hassle. This makes it particularly suitable for larger vehicles where shorter hoses may not suffice. The unit is powered by a 12V accessory outlet and includes an inline dial gauge that measures up to 150 psi, giving users a straightforward way to monitor tire pressure during inflation. The integrated LED light ensures visibility in dark or emergency conditions, making nighttime tire care less stressful. Its direct drive motor and thermal brake feature ensure not only efficiency but also longevity, allowing the inflator to handle tough demands without overheating. Safety and versatility are also key features. Like other slime inflators, it is tire sensor safe and comes with multi-purpose adapters for inflating rafts, balls, and other items. A standout feature is the neat cord storage design, where the AC head plugs directly into the handle, keeping everything organized and compact. Overall, the Slime 40031 combines heavy-duty performance with thoughtful design features, making it an ideal inflator for drivers who want durability, reach, and reliability in one package. Number 5. Slime 40026 Heavy-Duty Tire Inflator with Case. The Slime 40026 Heavy-Duty Tire Inflator is built for performance and durability, making it a perfect choice for drivers of trucks, SUVs, and 4x4s. One of its most impressive features is its dual-cylinder direct drive motor, which delivers exceptionally fast inflation. In fact, this model can inflate a standard tire in just 2 minutes, placing it among the fastest heavy-duty inflators available. Its quiet operation is another advantage, ensuring a smoother experience compared to louder alternatives. Designed for rugged use, the 40026 comes packaged in a rigid carrying case, offering both portability and protection, so it's always ready when stored in the trunk. Unlike many inflators that rely solely on a 12V outlet, this one features alligator clip connectors for direct connection to a car battery, ensuring maximum power and reliability when needed most. The unit also features a built-in dial gauge that reads up to 150 psi, along with a bright LED light for nighttime emergencies. An extended, coiled 82 cm air hose with a twist connect fitting provides flexibility and ease of use. Safety remains a priority, as the inflator is tire sensor safe and includes multi-purpose adapters for inflating other equipment like sports balls and rafts. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.